pay attention to what I say because this video is going to help a lot of you. Hi my cuties, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about the narcissistic behavior. I've been waiting to talk on this since a long time now because I have seen a lot of narcissism around us, so I thought of coming up with a video where I'll let you know what narcissism actually is. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you have subscribed it to not miss any of my videos in the future. Ever since I have grown up, I have actually witnessed narcissistic behavior around me a lot of times. I think I've grown up with people who are actually narcissists. How they actually look like? They look very generous, they look very kind, they look very good. They are actually good actors and they know how to act. In fact, they also know they themselves are narcissists. Trust me, narcissistic people are the most dangerous people. They are the great manipulators who will make you believe whatever they say and you get manipulated very easily. कुछ इस तरह के होते हैं कि whenever they do any sort of mistake, they will try to put every blame on you and they will act as a victim. They will put the blame on you and make you believe that you are the one. For example, जैसे कि आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ होगा कि आपकी कोई दोस्त हो और आपसे उसकी लड़ाई हो गई हो एंड यू स्टार्टेड टू फील बैड इवन दो उसकी गलती थी, बट आप उसके पास जाते हो और उसे समझाते हो कि whatever it was, let's end this right here and let's be friends again. Now, did you ever notice that friend of yours actually put the blame on you, but in a very soft way, that you will start to believe you are actually in fault. ये मेरी गलती नहीं थी, एक्चुअली तूने मुझे कुछ ज्यादा बोल दिया तो मैंने गुस्से में तुझे बोल दिया, तूने ऐसे ऐसे किया इसलिए मैंने तेरे साथ ऐसे किया, and you are so naive to believe that she is right. हालांकि वो गलत है, she is wrong, she is manipulating you, she is actually putting her blame on you so that you can accept कि oh yeah, maybe I am wrong. Somewhere deep down you start to believe that you are wrong. You start to apologize. You will say I'm sorry. I think yeah, मैंने कुछ ज्यादा ही सोच लिया, मैंने कुछ ज्यादा ही बोल दिया, मुझे ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था. Later on you start to realize कि मेरी तो गलती भी नहीं थी, मैंने सॉरी क्यों बोला. You just don't understand कि what just happened. बट आपने अपनी गलती ना होते हुए उसके सारे ब्लेम्स को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. उसको जो सेटिस्फैक्शन चाहिए था उससे वो मिल गया. नाउ द पर्सन हु हैज दिस नार्सिसिज्म बिहेवियर अंडरस्टैंड्स द फैक्ट दैट यू आर टू नाइव एंड दे विल कीप रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग्स विथ यू. यू आर बॉन्डेड टू ए टॉक्सिक फ्रेंडशिप और रिलेशनशिप और विद एनीवन, जिसे हम ट्रॉमा बॉन्ड कहते हैं. आपको हर बार ऐसे फील कराया जाता है कि आप ही गलत हो, यू आर द प्रॉब्लम, एंड यू ग्रू अप विद दैट फीलिंग कि yes, maybe I am the problem. I have something wrong in me. Eventually, you become people pleaser because you started to please the other person. These narcissist people are so horrible, I tell you. Ever since I have grown up, I have always encountered these people in my life like so many times till date. I'm sorry I have to break this, but I think बचपन से ही हमने ये behavior देखा है, बस हमें कभी पता नहीं था. Be it with your family members, be it with your friendship, be it with your friends, be it with your relatives, be it with anyone around you. It's just you have never understood that this behavior is something called narcissist. कभी आपके साथ ऐसे हुआ है जब आप बड़े हो रहे थे, आपको हमेशा लगता था कि there is something wrong in you, इसलिए लोग आपको छोड़कर चले जाते हैं. There is something in you that people don't actually love the way you want to get love. I think ऐसे कई बार हुआ होगा, but आपको actually ये चीज नहीं समझ में आई होगी कि ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है. Because you have been surrounded with a group of narcissists. These people have the most negative energy, but that they will pretend to act innocent, they will pretend to act naive. Trauma bond एक इतनी बुरी चीज है क्योंकि आपको पता है कि वो इंसान का बिहेवियर बहुत ही टॉक्सिक है, बट आप उसके साथ फिर भी रहना चाहते हो बिकॉज आप उसके साथ कुछ ज्यादा ही अटैच हो गए हो कि आप उस इंसान के बिना रह ही नहीं सकते हो. सो दैट इज व्हाट ट्रॉमा बॉन्ड. हमारे अतराफ में बहुत तरह तरह के लोग हैं, उन्हें समझना, उनके अकॉर्डिंगली एक्ट करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज दिस काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर विल एक्चुअली ड्रेन यू डाउन एंड मेक यू बिलीव दैट यू आर अ रॉन्ग पर्सन. यू आर एक्चुअली एन इमोशनल पर्सन हु थिंक्स दैट एवरीवन अराउंड यू इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक यू एंड यू थिंक दैट जैसे हम सोच रहे इंसान सामने वाला भी वैसे ही सोच रहा होगा. तो आपको लगता है कि जो सामने वाला कह रहा है वो एब्सोल्युटली राइट है एंड उनके हिसाब से आप गलत हो तो आप वो चीज को मान लेते हो। कोई ऐसे फील करवा देते कि कोई आपके साथ रहना ही नहीं चाहता है, कोई आपको पसंद ही नहीं करता है और आप एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हो। सो लेट मी टेल यू अ स्टोरी ऑफ माइन। दिस इज समथिंग very personal and I'm sharing my personal experience here. My childhood was like extremely lonely. Not everyone has a good childhood, but some of us have a very traumatic childhood. So I am one of them because my parents, they used to go to work and I used to stay at home all alone. So to not keep me alone, my parents used to keep me at my relatives. I remember growing up with these kind of people where they used to torture me and they used to make me feel like I'm a bad person, I'm a bad cousin, I am nothing. I realized since then I've become people pleaser because they made me please them. Like if I want something from them, I have to please them. उनकी अच्छाई करो, बड़ाई करो, तारीफ करो या उनके आगे पीछे घूमो या उनकी सेवा या ऐसे कुछ करो, that will actually please them. So I remember कि ये जो people pleasing जो behavior हमारे अंदर आता है ना, it's because of a lot of traumas which I have figured out अब जाकर. So growing up I had a cousin who was extremely narcissist. I don't know what to name her because I think narcissism मैंने तब से read करना start कर लिया था इंसानों में, बस मुझे वो word नहीं पता था. She used to like cut my bonds with every of my cousins and she used to make me isolate because she used to be so jealous of me. उसने मेरे सारे cousin से bond cut करने के लिए बहुत कोशिश कर ली and she tried so hard, but trust me, if God is with you, no one can harm you. So I remember after a few years she was exposed, her behavior was exposed and she was the one who was left alone because everyone around me got to know that making people feel like they are shit. Oh God, I remember how toxic she was. Since then till now I don't entertain her and I just don't entertain these kind of people. I did entertain a lot of people in my life. I started to understand a lot of things by myself and then I realized that no, it's high time that I have to stand up for myself and cut these people off. And guess what? With time I became super empath. Now what is a super empath? A super empath is someone who actually walks into another's shoes to just feel what they are actually feeling. And this is what I am someone. If someone is trying to express their emotions towards me, if someone is trying to explain what they are actually feeling about, I am someone who will actually try to understand उस इंसान के नजरिए से और मुझे actually उस इंसान का दर्द महसूस होता है. You know what? A narcissist who thinks no one can defeat them, a super empath is the one who can actually fight with them, not emotionally but with awareness. You know what are the signs of a super empath? You will actually cry when someone is crying. You are actually happy when someone is happy. You understand the negative energy around you. You understand who is lying to you. You understand when someone is trying to manipulate you. You have a lot of emotions for the people. These are actually the signs of a super empath. Once you enter into your dark empath era, there is no way going back. And this is the only solution where you will actually be able to stand in front of a narcissist. And this will actually help you become a better person. No matter what kind of a narcissist a person is, they can never defeat a super empath person. It's because they know that the other person is stronger than them. A narcissist always believes that he or she is a dark empath while they are not. They just live in a delusion where they believe that everyone around them loves them. All they want is attention and a lot of attention. They basically want to be the center of attraction of everyone around them. They want everyone around them to just pay attention on whatever they do. They are so delusional that they think they're the most generous people. They make their image so clean publicly that people actually start to believe this is actually a good person. But when you meet that person privately, you get to know that person is actually a horrible person. They just keep their image publicly so good that everyone starts to love them. I deal with these people a lot. I have grown up watching these kind of people. This is coming from an experience and I wanted to come up and talk about this because I know a lot of you girls are so naive that you still don't understand that people are playing with your mind. Trust me, these are the most evil kind of people. I have this very good quality. I observe people very deeply and as soon as I enter, the very first thing I do is I observe so nicely. I can actually tell you, like my friends, they always tell me, Anna, whenever you tell me that that person gives us slightly negative vibe, actually has that negativity. If you want to stand in front of a narcissist, just act that you trust them, but don't actually trust them. Whenever they say anything about like anything, just try to pretend exactly the way they pretend. And once they get to know your behavior, they will start to behave more horribly. You know why? Because they somewhere deep down know they have been exposed in front of you. But now, the moment they get to understand that they are being exposed now, and now you're just pretending in front of them, the person will actually start to act in a more horrible way. You know why? Because these people have a very different personality. They just don't want to get exposed. Once they are exposed, ये लोग आपके सामने ऐसा behave करना start करेंगे that will actually hurt you. They will try to hurt you a lot of times. They are very mean kind of people. आप पे ना इतने frustrate हो जाओ, they will hurt you to the point कि जैसे ही आप react करोगे, they will blame you again. See your reaction. But your reaction is actually because of their actions. Remember that. And they exactly want this to happen. They will poke you to the point कि आप burst हो जाओ, आपका frustration burst हो जाए, and they will act victim once again. They always carry the victim card everywhere they go. Guys, cousin या relative तक तो ठीक था. You won't believe, I had a best friend back then. I never knew that she has a narcissist personality, and I regret that. So all these years I've been with her, she made me believe that I'm a wrong person, I'm a bad person. She always used to do something, मतलब she has that very dark negative energy which I used to feel somewhere deep down, because आपको पता है वो एक energy समझ में आती है, but आप उस पे act नहीं कर सकते because you're trauma bonded. So I was trauma bonded basically. So all these years I never got to understand that the person has this personality. Now one day when she was exposed in front of me, I was shocked. That actually hurt me. That actually hurt me so much. And when I reacted, this was my mistake. I reacted and she played the blame game as always. Look at your reactions. Look what kind of a friend you are. Look what kind of a person you are. And she gave me that silent treatment. She just cut me off. And the worst thing is, the only mistake I made was I called her out for her personality. I actually called her out. I said that, girl, you are a narcissist. Do you even know that? You have a narcissist personality. And what she said, you know, you are a narcissist. You are the one. I am not. You are a narcissist. And you're trying to manipulate me. And I was like, what the hell? I mean, I took a few days to process, and then when I reread all the conversation, I realized I was with the wrong person. All my life, I was with the wrong person. And guess what? She never came back. She never came back. Like, we have grown up together. We were together. We shared a lot of memories together. And I was the one who used to miss her so much that I used to remember every single thing of her. But she never came back. In fact, I myself went back to her because I always try to hold on to memories. I always try to hold on to bond, any friendship. I just try and give a chance to that person and to myself and to that relationship. So I went back and I tried to fix things, and guess what? She actually showed her narcissistic behavior. And that's when I realized, damn, I was with a wrong person all my life. Because I'm pretty sure आप भी ऐसे किसी इंसान के साथ रह रहे होगे, be it your friendship, be it your family member, be it anyone around you who is actually this. और आपको ये चीज़ नहीं पता है, but मैं ये चीज़ आप लोगों को बताने आ रही हूँ that you are with a wrong person or maybe people. You just don't know. You are too naive. Please understand, these people are very evil. Their intentions are very evil. They will destroy your mind. They will destroy your mental peace, and that's what gives them satisfaction. Then I became a dark empath. Few years back, when I realized that all my life I was with the wrong person, and it's high time that I should actually stand up for myself and come out of it. I started to see the world in a different way now. Whenever I meet anyone, I can actually tell you उस इंसान का इंटेंशन क्या है हमारे लिए. And trust me, मैंने मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स को, जो भी मेरे अतराफ में जो भी खास है, मेरे जो जेन्युइन वंस है, जब भी मैंने उन लोगों को रोका है उस शख्स से दूर रहने के लिए, वो शख्स हमेशा वैसा ही निकला एग्जैक्टली जो मैंने फर्स्ट मीटिंग में बता दिया था. I tell you something, people always think that you get mature with age, but that's wrong. You do not get mature with age, you get mature with your experience. आपको पता है, एक 12 साल का बच्चा भी ना आपसे बहुत ज्यादा मेच्योर होगा अगर उसके ऊपर बहुत सारी जिम्मेदारी होगी और बहुत सारी तकलीफें होगी. बट एक 25 साल का इंसान भी बच्चा ही रहेगा अगर उसको लाइफ में कभी कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मिला हो। गाइस, आप सोच ही नहीं सकते हो मैनिपुलेशन आपकी जिंदगी में कितना गंदा रोल प्ले कर रहा है, और आप ये चीज सोचने पे मजबूर भी नहीं हो सकते बिकॉज आपको ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, जिस इंसान के साथ मैं हूँ वो इंसान सबसे बेस्ट है, बीट योर फ्रेंड और बीट योर पार्टनर और बीट एनीवन अराउंड यू। ट्रस्ट मी, few months back I have come across another narcissist who's actually very delusional, and guess what, I've read that so clearly कि मुझे शुरुआत से पता था कि वो शख्स नार्सिसिस्ट है, तो I have to act accordingly. I'll act exactly how that person wants me to act. Pretend. उन्हें लग रहा है कि वो मुझे अपने झांसे में फंसा रहे, and I'll pretend, yeah, you are right, मैं आपके झांसे में फंस रही हूँ, but deep down you know who that person is. No matter what public image they carry, but in real, in person, you are the one who knows what kind of person is he or she. In real, ये आप ही को पता है कि वो इंसान क्या चीज है. Sometimes I really don't like this overly generous people. लोगों ने चीज सुना होगा, too good to be true. That's what I believe. If someone is trying to act like literally so good, trust me, that person is not good. At the age of 27, बहुत धक्के खाने बाद, बहुत चीजों से गुजरने के बाद, I have finally understood all my life. I have faced this. I've experienced this. I have been with wrong people around me. All these things made me believe growing up that I'm a wrong person. Why do everyone leave me? Why don't people talk to me nicely? Or is there something wrong in me? I should work on myself. But the moment there will be a time in your life कि आपके लाइफ में बहुत कम लोग बचेंगे और वो जेन्युइन लोग होंगे, तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ यार, ये लोग तो मेरे साथ काफी सालों से है और कुछ लोग बचपन से भी होते हैं, तो वो लोगों ने तो मुझे कभी नहीं टोका इस चीज के लिए. Then why these people made me believe that way? So my loves, the problem was never with you. The problem was always with the other person that made you believe you are the problem. Guys, you know, whenever someone tries to act like really good in front of me, I always question myself, what are your intentions with me? I literally try to read that person. Like, why is she trying to act so good in front of me? What are her intentions with me? And I believe this is such a blessing. When you actually start to read people, you will understand how people have evil intentions towards you, but they will act so good that you will feel like, no, they are nice, they are kind. Maybe I'm just overthinking. No, are you sure? Please, please, please follow your gut feeling. Please follow your instincts. They always tell you the truth. Not just friends, not just cousins, not just anyone, but I also had a very narcissist kind of partner. Oh God, how could I just forget that person? Like, he had the most narcissistic personality I have ever seen in someone. And till date, I see a lot of people around me who act like they do care about me, but they actually do not care about me. And पता है ये लोग कौन आते हैं? मैंने नोटिस किया है, ये लोग सिर्फ अपनी दुनिया में जीते हैं, इन्हें कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता आपकी जिंदगी से. इफ यू आर इमोशनल, अगर आपकी लाइफ में कुछ बहुत बुरा चल रहा है, आप बहुत सैड हो, they actually don't care. They actually don't care. All they care about is about themselves. They will talk about themselves. They will just talk about themselves every single time. And the moment you start to share your emotions, they will stand and walk away. Horrible people. मैं आपको गारंटी ये चीज बोल सकती हूँ, आप में से कई लड़कियां होगी जो आपके अतराफ में ऐसे लोग होंगे. आपने हमेशा देखा होगा, आपने बहुत ट्राई करते हो कि नहीं यार, हमेशा मैं इसको बहुत सुनती हूँ, बिकॉज यू आर अ गुड लिसनर. यू आर एक्चुअली एन एम्पैथ. यू आर अ वेरी गुड लिसनर. आई एम अ वेरी गुड लिसनर. आई कैन लिसन टू एनीवन लाइक वेरी केयरफुली कि वो इंसान क्या बोल रहा है. अच्छा, ओके, आई विल ट्राई टू मेक दैट पर्सन understand in a very good way. But there are people around us who just wants to talk about themselves, so they love how much you give attention to them. तो वो पता है सिर्फ खुद के बारे में बातें करते रहे. They are so delusional. They just love the fact that everyone around them should talk about them. मैंने देखा है कुछ ऐसे लोगों को कि उनको इतना पसंद है center of attraction बन के जीना कि they just talk about themselves every single time. No matter how many people around them they have. Actually, these people have very less people around them. Very less, like very less. पता है उन लोगों से डर के जीना चाहिए जिनके friends नहीं होते. You know why? It's because there is something wrong with that person that कि ना people around them get to understand कि भाई ये बंदे में कुछ तो fault है, and उनका ना कोई दोस्त नहीं बनना चाहता है, उनसे लोग दूर भागना चाहते हैं. These people जो उनके बचे कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, ये लोग उनको मैनिपुलेट करके रखते हैं. उनको ये चीज भरोसा दिलाते हैं कि नहीं भाई, मेरे से बेटर तुझे दोस्त कोई नहीं मिल सकता है, मेरे से बेटर इंसान तुझे नहीं मिल सकता है. तो they will sit and they will start talking about themselves delusionally. They believe that, oh, I'm the most amazing person in this room, you guys are like nothing, I've achieved so much in my life, I have so much in my life, what do you guys have? I have so much, I have power, I have this, I'm that. And the moment you start to express your feelings towards something, they will ignore you because आपकी कोई वर्थ नहीं है उस इंसान के नजर में, कोई भी वर्थ नहीं है. They just don't care about you, about your life, about anything. I personally have experienced this and मुझे ऐसा लगा भाई what the actual hell. What I've noticed is there is this person, one of my relatives, उनकी डेथ हो गई. I was way too emotional, okay, I was way too emotional. When I told that person that my so and so is no more anymore, that person didn't give a shit. I was shocked. मैंने सर पकड़ लिया और मुझे वो टाइम रियलाइज हुआ कि ओके, आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू नॉट थिंक दैट यू आर समवन एल्स, बट आई थिंक यू आर एग्जैक्टली हु आई इमेजिन इट टू बी. बट आई ट्राई टू कन्विंस माई सेल्फ, मे बी यू आर गुड, बट मे बी आई एम ओवर थिंकिंग, बट you are a bad person. That person don't even care whatever things happen in your life. Maybe someone's dead, someone is alive. आप जी रहे हो, आप मर रहे हो, आप क्या कर रहे हो, नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. आप बीमार भी पड़ जाओगे ना, वो इंसान को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. But they will act very good when publicly, when people are around them. So they will act so nice, like, oh, I love this person so much. No, so they will act so kind, and everyone will start to believe that wow, वो इंसान आपके लिए कितना सोचता है, वो इंसान आपके कितनी केयर करता है. The worst part is you cannot even explain the people around you that the person has evil intentions towards us, and they are just trying to make us believe that that person is good. I hate these kind of people, and alhamdulillah I am at the age and at the stage of my life where I get to understand all of these behaviors so nicely. I just don't know what to say. Like whenever I encounter with this kind of people, whenever I am with my people, like my partner, with my friends, and I encounter this kind of behavior, I always tell them, save yourself, protect your energy, because ये आपको बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं, and this is an unacceptable behavior. This person is draining you, it's draining your energy. Protect your energy at every cost. एक और चीज पता है क्या होती है? The moment, जैसे कि आप एक महफिल में बैठे हो, ठीक है, और the person wants कि सब उन्हीं के बारे में बात करें, and suddenly the topic is you. Just look at their reaction. It changes. मतलब वो जो white smile होती है ना जब खुद के बारे में बात करो, और जैसे ही सामने आपके ऊपर टॉपिक आए and people start to give attention to you, the smile drops because they don't want कि आपको attention दिया जाए, आपके ऊपर focus किया जाए. And when people start appreciating you, your work, just silently observe their reaction. तब आपको समझ में आएगा that person is the one I have been talking about. I just don't want anyone else to appreciate your work, yourself, or talk about you or give attention to you because they live in a fear कि भाई मुझ पे से अटेंशन चले जाएगा, मुझ पे लोग ध्यान दो. सो वॉट दे विल डू इज, यू नो, जैसे आपके मन में कोई बात हो रही है, जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कि ना हाँ मेरे साथ कभी ऐसे हुआ था, हाँ मेरे साथ भी हुआ था. जैसे आप बोलोगे ना कि मैंने लाइफ में मैंने ना ये किया था, हाँ मैंने तो ये बहुत पहले ही किया था. सो दैट वो अटेंशन है ना शिफ्ट हो जाए, वहां से उनकी तरफ जाए. जैसे आपने नोटिस किया होगा, आप अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हो कि ना मैंने ना ये चीज किया था, मेरे साथ ऐसे होता, हाँ मेरे साथ भी हुआ था, आपको पता है कैसे हुआ था. दे कंटिन्यू टॉकिंग अबाउट देमसेल्व्स. पूरा महफिल का अटेंशन वहां चले जा चुका है और आपके बारे में कोई नहीं सुनना चाहता और आपकी टॉपिक कट हो चुकी है. So tell me, how many of you can relate to it actually? Isn't this the most relatable thing I've ever said? Allah बचाए ऐसे लोगों से. Be an empath, not a narcissist. Please. All I wanna say is just protect yourself, protect your energy, protect your time, protect your peace, protect your heart, protect your mind at any cost, because eventually it will drain you down. Some people will leave you and make everyone believe that it was all your fault, you are at fault. Some people will actually drain you उस लेवल तक कि आप एक्चुअली जब छोड़ के जाना चाहोगे तो आपको मन भी नहीं करेगा छोड़ के जाने का, बिकॉज उन्होंने आपको कुछ इस तरीके से जकड़ा हुआ है कि आपको यकीन हो चुका है कि आप एक बहुत ही खास इंसान के साथ हो और आप में बहुत सारी गलतियां हैं, बहुत सारी खामियां हैं और आप हटना भी नहीं चाहते हो. आप वो टॉक्सिसिटी से इतने ज़्यादा अटैच्ड हो कि आप उस चीज़ से बाहर नहीं आना चाहते हो. बट डोंट डू दैट. अगर कोई चीज़ आपको खुशी दे रही है, पीस दे रही है, एट द सेम टाइम वो कभी टॉक्सिक नहीं हो सकती है। अगर कोई चीज आपको सिर्फ टॉक्सिक लग रही है, जहाँ पे आपको खुशी और पीस नहीं लग रहा है, और आपका गट फीलिंग बोलता है कि यू शुड नॉट बी दैट पर्सन बिकॉज दैट पर्सन हैज चेंज्ड योर लॉट एज अ पर्सन, आप बहुत चेंज हो चुके हो, आपके अंदर पीस खत्म हो चुका है, आप खुशियां ढूंढने यहाँ वहाँ भाग रहे हो, आप प्यार ढूंढने यहाँ वहाँ भाग रहे हो, तो आप सोचो कि आप कितने गलत इंसान के साथ हो। किसी और की बातों में आके खुद को कभी अंडर एस्टिमेट मत करो और ये मत सोचो कि आप में गलतियां है। वैसे तो मुझे और भी बहुत सारी बातें करनी थी, बट आई थिंक आई शुड स्टॉप माई वीडियो राइट हियर बिकॉज आई एम ऑलरेडी नॉट वेल, एज यू कैन सी ऑल ओवर माई फेस। मेरा फेस देख के समझ में आ रहा होगा कि आई एम नॉट वेल, बट आई वॉन्टेड टू मेक दिस वीडियो वेरी बैडली। आई वॉन्टेड टू मेक दिस वीडियो एंड टॉक टू यू ऑल, एंड आई लव टॉकिंग टू यू ऑल। और इट्स ओके टू बी you. It's okay to be positive. It's okay to feel way too much. That's okay. Trust me, you are a good person. The one who makes you feel bad is actually a bad person. या आप मेरे आंखों के नीचे डार्क सर्कल्स देख रहे हो, it is because lack of sleep, obviously. And lack of sleep is because of my PCOS thing, which I'm gonna talk very soon on it. और मैं उसके बारे में एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाऊंगी जिसपे हम अच्छे से डिटेल में बात करेंगे। और PCOS यार, it's so frustrating. But anyway, I'm gonna end my video right here. And PCOS के बारे में हम इंशाल्लाह अगले वीडियो में बात करेंगे। नींद नहीं मिली है तो मेरी आंखें भी सूज गई है और थोड़ा सा डार्क सर्कल भी दिख रहा है। So anyway, I'll end my video right here. And I hope आपको ये वीडियो थोड़ा हेल्प किया होगा anyhow. And if you want to share this with your friends, please go ahead and share it and let them know about this too. Create awareness and stay away from these kind of toxic people. And try to overcome all of these things. Just believe in yourself. Believe in who you are. और ऐसे लोगों से दूर रहो, यही मेरा सजेशन रहेगा। So yeah, I hope you love this video. If you did, let me know in the comments आपको और भी ऐसे सेल्फ हेल्प के बारे में वीडियो देखना हो। मैं जेन्युइनली चाहती हूँ कि मैं सेल्फ हेल्प के बारे में वीडियोस बनाऊँ, so that हम में से कई ऐसी लड़कियां जो स्ट्रगल कर रही है, ये वीडियो देख के उन्हें शायद कुछ तो भी समझ आए, हौसला मिले, मोटिवेशन मिले, ऐसे ही वो अपने आप को थोड़ा चेंज करने के लिए ट्राई करें। I'm gonna end my video right here. Take care, bye bye. I'll see you girls in my next video. Bye.